like to perform the Regions Theater Rainforest School. This is a play about a group of students in Xixua, Brazil, deep in the rainforest. The skit you are about to hear has been written using information from the text off to class. Incredible and Unusual Schools Around the World by Susan Hayes.
Have you been to the city of Mayusley? No, my dad says it will take us 2 days to get there, even on our best results.
I heard my neighbor moved to the city because our school only goes up to 3rd grade.
Hello, I am from the solar electric light from
Hello, I'm from the Solar Electric Light Fund, and I think I can help. What if we found a way to bring all the city fund to you?
What do you mean we'll have electricity?
My idea is that we can bring the solar panels for electricity and computers to connect you to the internet.
I will help you. That sounds like a good idea.
I will get the community to help bring all these things in.
The next day, the solar panels were in place. The students had electricity and internet to use.
I can get all the books I need right on the internet. We won't have to go to the city to get anything we need.
Those solar panels are so helpful. The electricity is helping our school stay open. My mom and dad said that we don't have to move to the city because our school teaches us through high school.
I even use the school to take online classes at night. The school helps me sell my crafts to people around the world.
You can thank your community and helpers from the Solar